Hi everyone, this is Trayman1993, and today we're going to be looking at some recent purchase I got off eBay here. This is the Bachmann steam whistle in freight station here, and got some pretty nice cool details right here though. And unfortunately, I had to put some super glue on it because the piece on the bottom was missing though. Because I accidentally broke it while I was trying to clean it though. But that's alright. Accidents happen, so before I operate the whistle though, a little update here. I kind of switched back that crossing though anyways, because I thought it might look better though, but yeah. So let's give this a whistle here. Yeah, but it's alright. It sounds pretty okay though. I don't mind the whistle though. But anywho, stay tuned what I also got here though. So I also got some more stuff today and last week on my birthday. Let's start with the first one. Got a lifelike it's like a slope tender, but I still need to find the original engine though anyways, including that Union Pacific Vanderbilt tender. I don't know if you guys can see it though behind the renting tender. Got more American Flyer track here and one more of those 036 fast track though anyways. That, and yeah, and this is I got today, and that one I got last week, including this one, because unfortunately the truck fell off when I was trying to unbox it though. But last but not least, here's this cool looking Bachmann N-Scale GP40 here that I got here. It has some pretty cool details here. Wow. Whew. This is the redesign here, as you can see. So, pretty nice. So I'll put this right there. Let's give it a test here. Oops. I gotta check the track here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Take care and have a nice weekend.